picked up the phone and dialed your house. No one was home, so I thought. Before the final ring, when she picked up before the voice machine, and I was taking it back. I took 2 breaths and asked to speak to Zach. She said, "Who's calling?" I didn't say. And then I heard your voice in the background say, "Baby, who is that?" "Baby, I don't know." She won't say her name. "Give me the phone." "Hello? Hello?" Click. He hung up the phone. Shit. He hung up the phone. Click. He hung up the phone. Click. He hung up the phone. And just like that, he hung up the phone. Well, I just sat there in disbelief, thinking this ain't happening to me. Well, guess who called back? To my surprise, Buzz. The phone lit up before my eyes, so I placed it upon my ear. He said, "I told you not to call me here. Is that your girlfriend?" I kindly asked, and that's when he started talking really fast. "I'm not that kind of guy, baby, you know me." "Babe, who are you talking to?" "Nobody." "Hello? Hello?" Click. He hung up the phone. Shit. He hung up the phone. Click. He hung up the phone. How rude. He hung up the phone, and just like that, he hung up the phone. By now, you can say I'm tired of all the lies. So tired of player guys. Just want somebody to love me, somebody to love me right. By now, so sick of sleeping alone at night, while she lays there by your side. Wouldn't it be lovely, wouldn't it be lovely? I picked up the phone and dialed your house. No one was home, thank you, Jesus. I left a message saying, "I hope he loves you better, baby."
Shoot.
I picked up the phone and dialed your house. No. I think I got it. Let's take it.